Hey everybody, I'm Lauren Harris-Pincus and I'm a registered dietitian in case you don't know me. And I decided today to show you my favorite method for taking pits out of cherries. It's the height of cherry season and I'm thoroughly enjoying them. They're so delicious, but the worst part is trying to get the pits out. And I recently posted something about cherries and somebody mentioned something about cutting the cherries to get the pits out. And I said, oh, I have a way better method to do that, so let me show you, and I'm going to demonstrate right here. Okay, so the one thing you need is a metal straw. So the first thing you do is you just take the stems off of the cherries. Some of these already don't have stems. So you see the little part where the stem was. You're going to take the straw, put it where the stem was, and you're just gonna hold it and give a little bit of a shove, and the pit comes out the other end. And the cherry is still mostly intact, so you don't have to completely butcher it in order to get the pit out. Some of them are a little bit harder than others to get out. The softer the cherry, the easier it is to get the pits out. These are pretty hard cherries, but you can see it's not that difficult, and it does make a mess. So I always recommend doing it on a cutting board, on napkins or paper towels. Don't wear white. Don't ever wear white when you're doing this with cherries. I tend to wear black in case it splatters a little bit, or definitely an apron or something that you don't care that much about. And your hands definitely get cherry juice on them. But if you look at it, it's pretty much intact compared to trying to cut slices. So if you want to make something that's pretty, at least visually, the cherries stay intact. So that's my method for doing it. Just a simple little metal straw. So good luck.